Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to derive expression for work done in adiabatic process. So first we have to take one container. In that container, liquid is rising by change in volume in dV and pressure is P. Initial volume is V1 and final volume is V2. Now we know that in adiabatic process we have PV to the power gamma. Gamma is Poisson's ratio. PV to the power gamma equals to constant, and constant, with that constant we will take K, and we can write K equals to P1 V1 to the power gamma equals to P2 V2 to the power gamma. Now you can see here P equals to K V to the power minus gamma. Now we have to find the small work done. Small work done dW equals to P dV, and P value we have to put here K V to the power minus gamma. Now this equation we have to integrate both sides to get the total work. So after integrating we will get here dW integration equals to K V to the power minus gamma dV integration, and limits will be V1 to V2. Okay, now dW integration will be W, and V to the power minus gamma integration will be minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1. Okay, and limits will be V1 to V2. Now in order to find W we have to put limits. First we will put here, in place of V we will put upper limit V2 to the power 1 minus gamma minus V1 to the power 1 minus gamma. Okay, now we have to take minus sign common, so we will get V1 to the power 1 minus gamma minus V2 to the power 1 minus gamma and upon 1 minus gamma, and minus sign will multiply to 1 minus gamma. You will get here W equals to K upon gamma minus 1 in bracket V1 to the power 1 minus gamma minus V2 to the power 1 minus gamma. So this is the expression for work done. In order to find the work done in terms of pressure, we have to do some changes. As we know that K is equals to P1 V1 to the power gamma equals to P2 V2 to the power gamma. So we will put K value here. You will get K V1 to the power 1 minus gamma and minus K V to the power 1 minus gamma upon gamma minus 1. Now we have to put K value P1 V1 to the power gamma into V1 power 1 minus gamma minus, now K value we will put here in second time we will put P2 V2 to the power gamma into V2 to the power 1 minus gamma upon gamma minus 1. Now gamma will cancel out, so we will get W equals to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. In order to change this relation in terms of temperature, we have to use ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT, and here we are taking 1 moles, so PV will be equals to RT. So P1 V1 equals to RT1 and P2 V2 is equals to RT2. Okay, so W will be equals to here P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. We have to put value of P1 V1 and P2 V2. So we will get W equals to RT1 minus RT2 upon gamma minus 1. So W is equals to R bracket T1 minus T2 upon gamma minus 1. So this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.